What is good, viewers, on this beautiful Sunday? Hopefully you guys are enjoying your day and relaxing for the week start, but this is going to be a nice chill video which I'm showcasing European firecrackers. You guys will see that some are fails, some are not. The ones that are not, they're freaking bangers. So with that being said, you guys relax, enjoy the video, have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you guys shortly. Yee! That had like a little kick to it. Nice. Just left that little mark. Oh, I kind of broke this right here. Excuse me, you can't park there. What the heck? This is a strange scene right here, but we're gonna demo out these ladybugs, as y'all can see. So we're gonna lit one first. Once I lit one, I'm gonna lit two more because I only have three in total. So let's put this one first. Let me take this out. Give me a second. You guys can look at this beautiful view as I'm doing this. Alright. What would be a good spot? I guess right here. Actually, it's kind of sketch. I'll put it right here. Ladybug one, and then yeah, okay. That was a fail. I hope the car doesn't catch on fire. No. Alright. Let's do two more. I kind of want this to go up. Let's try one. Let's try two, like I said. Give me a second. Alright. Oh, that shit didn't focus, but that was pretty sick. Nice. What the hell? Okay. Like, comment, subscribe, baby. I did one that didn't lit, so that kind of sucked. But we're gonna do another 120 dB against this plywood. Time to make some space right here for y'all. Alright, cool. Let's see what it do. Alright, you guys, this is like my last Dum Bum right here, 120 dB, as y'all can see. The other three, or the other two, actually fell. So let's see what this does. Because that means I'm out of some cash. That didn't, whatever. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, I'll give it some time. Meanwhile, as this is not lighting, hopefully you guys like, comment, subscribe, and if you think this is good, I guess, I don't know what I'm saying. If you guys like the video, which you guys probably wouldn't, which is I understand because they didn't fight, it's all good, but comment down below, see what you guys think, or what do you think I should have done next time, if I should leave it there, because I'm probably just gonna leave it there, or probably just put water over it or something, but yeah. Dum Bums, baby. She. Alright, you guys, another victim, but we're gonna do the special. This is just some spare pieces, so I just kind of made a platform just for fun. So this is one way to get rid of your Legos, I guess. Or actually, sorry, I'll take that back. One way to see if they're actually strong enough for Legos. I mean, for firecrackers. And this time we're gonna do it with the special firecracker. Once it focus, come on. As y'all can read that. What the heck? I think this is Spanish. Man. Alright. Just put this little hush puppy right here. I'm gonna stand back for this because Jesus Christ, the other one was crazy. I'll put this one here. Oops, out of frame. Alright. Holy Magda, that shit is solid. There's the spaceship from the last time. Just demolish everything. Alright. 10 out of 10.